Disappear to grow. Here's how to vanish for months and come back stronger. Too often, we mistake noise for progress. Posting, explaining, showing off. But your life? Still the same. If you want real change, sometimes the answer is disappearance. Not forever, just long enough to rebuild yourself.
Number 1. You're too available. Replying instantly. Showing up everywhere. Talking to everyone. But your life isn't changing. People who transform stay quiet. They vanish from the noise, not because they're lost, but because they're rebuilding.
Number 2. You're addicted to being seen, not valuable. Posting, chasing likes, seeking validation. It feels like progress, but it's performance. True growth is quiet. No applause, no audience. Just work that compounds. Number 3. You announce plans instead of executing them. I'm about to start. Big thing coming soon. Watch this space. 6 months later, nothing changed. Talking creates illusion of progress. Execution creates real results. Number 4. Your environment is too comfortable. Same people, same jokes, same routines. Nothing challenges you. Nothing stretches you. You're not stuck. You're just too comfortable to evolve. Number 5. You don't give yourself enough uninterrupted time. You start, stop, restart, scatter effort everywhere. Transformation needs isolation. Time where nobody claps. Time where it's just you and your work. Number 6. You're scared of being forgotten. So you stay visible, even when you aren't improving. But here's the truth. It's better to disappear and grow than to stay seen and remain the same. Dear viewers, disappear. Not forever. Just long enough to fix your thinking. Build something real. Develop a skill. Create income. Discipline your mind. Then come back. Not with talk. With results. Some people keep explaining their lives. Others go silent and change it.
If you learned something valuable from this, comment, "I'm blessed." Please don't forget to follow or subscribe to grow and learn with Blessed. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, you can join my live stream or search for Learn with Blessed on Facebook and send me a DM.